What's going on, YouTube? Sorry about the camera angle here, but I finally got my Wings exhaust delivered. So here it is. It comes in two boxes because I got the carbon fiber heat shield with it. So it's still wrapped. I still have to open it up, and here's the exhaust. So once I open it, I want to show you guys what you will get. So as you can see here, there's a shirt. You get a free shirt. Nice touch. And you got some stickers, Wings stickers. I never really use stickers, so it's nice to have though. And looks like installation instructions. Okay, installation instruction. Not a thorough installation instructions. Just tells you things to look after and how to clean. But I think I'm gonna look up online of some people that already done the install, so I don't have to surprise myself with anything. And here's a link pipe. So it goes into the stock header. This one goes to the exhaust side. So there you go. You got some clamps here. Let me see. You got your muffler support clamp, and I think a DB killer also in here. I think the small one. And open it up. Okay, so here's the exhaust. Really well packaged. It came within 1 week. I ordered it on Monday, and I got it's Friday now, and I got it. And it's shipped from somewhere out overseas, so it's really nice. Hopefully I don't drop it or scratch it, but I want to see it. Ooh, super nice. So the body is titanium, and the end cap is carbon fiber. So I think I think this is the plug to replace the DB killer with, to reach the thread, I suppose. Yeah, so this is the one. So you open that tab up, but I'm gonna be running with a DB killer for now since I don't have all my parts, but I still want to install the exhaust because I want to change the sound already. So put this back on there, make sure I don't lose it. So it's a nice, very nice quality. I would say comparable, if not better, than the Akrapovic. Really nicely made. Nice welds, nice rivets, everything. I put so much fingerprints on it already. I'll just wipe it down later. And we'll get started on the install. Alright, so I hope that's a good enough angle for you guys. I'll just get started here and see where... I don't think it's any special or anything serious. So I took out the seat, and I really think this is like a 10 minute job. Let me adjust the camera angle here just a second. So so right now we took off the seat. We're gonna take off this panel here. I'm not sure what kind of Torx it is. Oh, this is a T30. So with that. And slides off. Very easy. And while I remove that heat shield, here's the new Wings heat shield. As you can see here, very nice carbon fiber. And I'll put this on to the side panel now so I don't forget later. So I'll show you guys the finished product. So it looks like you transfer the locking tab here to the carbon fiber panel, and also the rubber grommets to secure the tabs to the body panel. Yeah, so pretty straightforward so far. Looks like this muffler bolt is a much bigger Torx. It looks like a T40. So I'm wiggling it out of this whole thing. Should just come off. Okay. Oh wow, that's heavy. Okay, that's a heavy, very heavy exhaust. That's like, oh man, that's like maybe 30 plus pounds. That's heavy. Can't believe I'm carrying that thing on the bike. Okay, so I wouldn't need the stock clamp anymore because the wings comes with its own clamps. So like I said, the wings come with its own clamps, as you can see here. Um, I'm gonna try to see how I can wiggle this. It says up, so I guess this one is the one going this way. So, okay. Is it that simple? Just goes in. Okay, so I left it just a little bit loose. So I'm gonna put this on here. So it's secure. Leave that on there. So I leave this up. I'm not securing it yet because I need some wiggle room. Make sure the exhaust will go in. Alright, so we're gonna put the muffler on now. Here it is, here it is. So up. Alright, so exhaust goes in. There it goes. So everything is loose right now, giving it some wiggle room. As you can see, it clears the turn signal quite a bit now. So you don't have a risk of burning your freaking turn signals anymore. So it says up there. So I guess that's just, I'm gonna put the muffler clamp in now so I can secure the rest of it. So the kit comes with a lubricating fluid, might be just soap. You have to put that in here so that it doesn't, maybe it glides easily on the muffler and it doesn't scratch it. Okay, so I got the pipe secure. So I'm gonna tighten the hose clamps now. As long as you're covering the where it clamps to the link pipe, should be good enough. Nothing really special about it. You don't need any help. You don't have to go to the dealership for this. You shouldn't. That should be tight enough. Alright, so here's the rear panel. Slides in from the bottom here. Alright YouTube, so I finally got everything installed. As you can see, got the seat back on, got the panel back on, you got the carbon fiber heat shield. I'm going to be doing a first start on it now. Alright YouTube, so as you can see, the sound isn't that loud because it still has the dB killer in there. This is the larger dB killer, so it's pretty quiet, but it's the loudest with the dB killer on. Once I get my tuning parts like the power commander and the airbox, once I get those installed, I'm going to be removing this completely, so it's going to be a full open exhaust, and it might be louder, so we'll see. But this is definitely better than stock, so, and all the weight savings that I was able to do, because that stock exhaust was so heavy. I think it was like upwards of 30 pounds. So yeah, very straightforward process, about 5 minutes, 10 minutes even, if you take your time to install this exhaust. It's all on this side, and you only take like a couple bolts out here, and it's very, very straightforward. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know, but there's a lot of videos about this already on the web, on YouTube. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Yeah, I'll try to answer them. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.